I love cream center nachos, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make cream center restaurant style nachos at home. Very simple and tasty. Let's get started. For the nachos in a bowl, take 1 cup all-purpose flour or maida. To that add 1 cup maize flour or makke ka atta, very easily available in grocery shops. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric or haldi for nice color. Half teaspoon oregano, this is totally optional. Salt as per taste. Now give this all a good mix. And now gradually add water and make a medium soft dough just like you make for your roti or chapati. After kneading the dough for a few minutes, like 2 to 3 minutes, cover it and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. It's very important. And after 10 to 15 minutes, you need to again knead the dough for 15 to 20 seconds. This would make the dough really nice and smooth. Now take out a portion. Next step is to roll it out. Now I'm using all-purpose flour, that is maida, to roll it thin. So apply dry flour and then roll it thin using your rolling pin or balun. If needed, you can add a little more dry flour. Cream center nachos aren't triangular, so they just break it into random pieces and serve with their cheese sauce. So I'm going to do that. But before that, you need to randomly prick your nacho sheet with a fork or toothpick so that it doesn't puff up like a puri. Frying this entire sheet wouldn't be possible or wouldn't be easy in a kadhai or pan, so I'm dividing it into 2 parts. Now similarly, I'm rolling the other sheets. With this recipe, you can make a lot of nachos, enough for 5 to 6 people. But yeah, the cheese sauce which I'm showing in this video is not enough. You would be able to use it for half of the nachos, but for the other half, you might have to make more. I've rolled out quite a few sheets and now I'm going to fry them. Still, I have got some dough remaining. Here I've got hot oil, so it's at medium flame, and now I'm deep frying these nachos. I'll repeat, cream center nachos aren't triangular, they just fry their nachos and break them into random pieces. I wanted to make a bigger sheet, but then it would have been difficult for me to fry it, so I divided it into 2 parts. You would notice that eventually when you're frying the nachos, they would turn crispy, and that is the time you need to take them out of the kadhai or your pan. Similarly, fry rest of the nachos. It feels like I am frying urad dal papad, but yeah, nachos take more time than papad. So here I've fried some nachos, and the dough which I showed you, it's still there, it's lying. I'll make nachos out of it later. You can see how crispy and nice these have turned out. Let's make the sauce. So for that, in a pan, heat 1/4 cup milk, and to that add 2 teaspoon butter. Give this a mix till the butter melts, and after that you need to add cheese. I'm using processed cheese slices. If you want, you can also use grated processed cheese cube. Here I'm using 3 cheese slices. You can use 2.5 cubes. Just grate the cheese cubes and add them to the milk, and you would notice that gradually the cheese would start to melt and you would get a nice creamy smooth sauce. Do not overcook because the sauce would thicken as it cools down. This is ready. Take it off your induction or gas stove, and it's time to serve the nachos. So in your plate or serving tray, just break some nachos. And cream center guys, serve these with thinly sliced capsicum. So I'm doing that. Yes, the capsicum is raw, but it really tastes fantastic. And then pour some cheese sauce. As much as you like. If you like more, you can make more sauce. If you want, you can sprinkle some chili flakes or mixed Italian herbs, or just have these just like that. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.